Water, lorry, water, lorry, water.
I challenge you to say like lorry after lorry, lorry after lorry. You know?
Ah,
Yeah, but
interesting.
let me teach you in Arabic. How do we say it? Okay, lorry, lorry, wara, lorry, lorry, wara, lorry. Wara it means behind. So in my name, yeah, wara it means behind.
Okay.
So
Laura, lorry, water, lorry, water, lorry, water.
you are ruling your.
We have a similar one, weirdly enough. We also have a tongue twister to do with lorries, which is quite weird. We say red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry, and then we just keep saying it like red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, red lorry, and you're supposed to just like like this. But it's funny that we both have a tongue twister to do with lorries.
With lorries, yeah. So we have tongue twisters in common, yeah.
Yeah.